The plate boundary is where the Earth's crust is literally ripped apart and white cracks and the faults are made. On the surface level, on the other hand, a linear fracture and volcanic fissures appears because of a plate boundary. However, these linear fractures and volcanic fissures only confined to a certain belt, and we call these belts volcanic zone. In Iceland, there are three volcanic zones, but let's focus only two of it. Along the plate boundary, the East Volcanic Zone is connected to North Volcanic Zone and is crossing the Iceland. If you imagine drawing a line between Mýrdalsjökull Glacier in the south and to the eastern part of Vatnajökull Glacier in the middle of Iceland, you could easily imagine the East Volcanic Zone line. In Eastern Volcanic Zone, there is a central volcano, Katla. Katla is quite famous central volcano. To explain what central volcano is a volcano that has erupted over years repeatedly, so at one place, and it has a shallow magma chamber. So Katla Central Volcano is believed to be one that the notorious Eldgjá eruption got its magma from. Eldgjá eruption happened in 934 and is the largest lava eruption in past 2,000 years on the Earth. If we combine two largest eruptions in Iceland over 10,000 years, which is the Eldgjá eruption and Laki eruption, the area that lava covered because of these two eruptions are bigger than Great London area, and the magma volume erupted out of these two eruptions are more than half of the total magma produced by the almost 200 eruptions in last 10,000 years. Eldgjá eruption take its name from a huge fissure. This fissure was 8 kilometers long and 150 meters deep. Eldgjá means in Iceland basically fire fissure. So when people witnesses this great eruption, they called fissure with fire. Eldgjá eruptions, as I told you before, got its magma from Katla Central volcano, but had also a fissure system. The fissure system of Eldgjá eruption stretched from Mýrdalsjökull to Vatnajökull tens of kilometers. So when we combine these two different elements of volcano, that is a central volcano and fissure swarm, we call this a volcanic system. So Katla volcanic system is the one that was behind the Eldgjá eruption. In Iceland, there are 30 volcanic systems along with the volcanic zones.